What is up, guys? Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're going to be running some errands. I actually got to go to Project Torque. We're running out of shirts up there, so I'm going to go to Project Torque, restock. Big shout out to Freddie for letting me sell my brand out there. And thank you to everybody that's been going out there and picking up a shirt. Very much appreciated. Thank you guys very much. Also, guys, if you want to shop online, the website is whogapped.com. Pick you up a shirt, a hat, a decal. Go get you something. So I am working on some more merch, some more designs that I am going to be releasing. So stay tuned for those, but right now let's go ahead and go to Project Torque. Alright guys, we went ahead and restocked all the merch here at Project Torque. So like I said, if you're local in the Houston area, Conroe area, make sure to stop by Project Torque, pick up your merch. You can also get some wheels. They got a big selection on 17x11s, whatever you're looking for. And if we don't have it, we can order it. So definitely stop by. And if you buy Project Torque gear, you get entered for Freddie's giveaway truck. So definitely doesn't hurt to pick up some gear. Let's go ahead and see what else we get into. The guys are not here. They actually went to go vlog. We're gonna go ahead and keep running our errands for the day, but let's go ahead and see what else we get into. Alright guys, we made it back from Freddie's shop, but there's something that I've been needing to fix on my car. It's been bothering me for some time. It's just a little thing that it's not really much of a big deal, but every time I see it, it bothers me. So today we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. Like I said, it's nothing crazy, but if you see it from here, my exhaust is a little too inside. I've been having it like that for a while, and one of them's a little, you couldn't tell on the camera, but it's a little crooked. But that's what we're gonna fix today. We're gonna go ahead and lift up the car. I'm gonna take my exhaust down, and while it's down, I'm gonna go ahead and polish it up and bring it back to a nice shiny polish. And that way when we put it back on, it's nice and shiny. So let's go ahead and get the jack, get this thing lifted up. Guys, we got the car up in the air. Like I said, we just got to take this exhaust right here. It's pretty much a clamp, 2 clamps on each one, or 1 clamp for each one. We just got to take that off, and then pretty much the exhaust will be free. It's just pretty much downpipes. This is the Billy Boat bullet exhaust that I have on this car. Super loud. I am looking for an MPP exhaust out of a Grand Sport or a Z06. So guys, if you have an MPP exhaust, let me know, shoot me a comment. I'll be willing to buy it off of you. Or if you want this one, trade you for this one, whatever it is. It's a badass exhaust. It's fun when I'm with the guys. If you want super loud and for it to sound awesome, definitely recommend it. But let's go ahead and get this exhaust off. Alright guys, there it is. Billy Boat exhaust. Anytime it's a Billy Boat exhaust, it comes with this stamp, pretty much letting you know you have a real Billy Boat exhaust. Like I said, awesome exhaust, performs great, does what it's supposed to do. Right now, let's go ahead and remove these little rubbers off to be able to release the exhaust, so we can go ahead and take it off, get it polished up, and then put it in the right location where we want it. So let's go ahead and remove this exhaust. Alright guys, after fighting with it for a little bit, we finally got the exhaust out. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean them up. Here's a stamp, pretty much saying what it is. This is for the C6 Billy Boat bullet exhaust. So there you go, guys. That's what I'm riding. That's what the exhaust that's on this car. But let's go ahead and get these cleaned up, and then we'll move the exhaust back where it needs to be, and then we'll put these back on. Let's go ahead and get these cleaned up. Alright guys, I got one set of the exhaust cleaned up. I still have to do the other set, but I actually ran out of time. I have a date with my wife, so I gotta cut it short today. So I'm gonna continue this video for tomorrow. Stay tuned. What is up, guys? It's currently the next day. I had a good time yesterday, but we got to get back to work. Yesterday we finished up the driver's side. Now we're gonna work on the passenger side. We're gonna get it all cleaned up, push the whole exhaust forward. That way it's got a good little distance in the back. All right guys, we got one inside. Look how much better that looks. Yeah, nice and clean. So now let's go ahead and work on the other side so we can get that going. Get this car back down and turn it on. Alright guys, we got the exhaust back on. I made it all the way to the back as much as I could before I came to my little, the little rubber stops that it comes with. It wasn't letting me go out anymore. So I came out all the way I could. I got my exhaust straight because one of them was a little crooked. So I got them straight and obviously cleaned up. So here's how they look. The car's still lifted up. We're gonna go ahead and show you how it looks, and then we're gonna drop the car and turn it on for y'all. Guys, we're in the vet right now. We're just test driving it, make sure that we don't have any exhaust leaks or anything like that. I gotta put some gas in it, like always. This thing's always needing gas. With the cam, it does obviously affect your miles per gallon, but it's no big deal. I rarely use this car. We're gonna go ahead and put some gas and then give it a little test drive, see if we can hear some leaks or anything like that with the exhaust. Alright guys, well, we got the car all done. We went ahead and moved the exhaust, straightened it out, and obviously polished it. It's very easy to clean your exhaust. If you have a stainless steel exhaust, you can do the same thing to your exhaust, you can polish it. I'm very happy the way it came out. I think it looks so much better. It definitely goes with the wheels. So yeah, I think it changed it up a whole lot better. Also guys, I went ahead and put my decals for my YouTube channel on the side of my car. I think they look good. I didn't want nothing too big. I think this was the perfect size. And like I said, I'm just trying to get my brand out there more, my channel, my brand, and obviously I gotta represent my boy Freddy. Got a big torque racing on the top. So there you have it guys, pretty much what we got into today. We got the car finished. Guys, I've been getting a lot of comments to make this a race truck. I think it would be really cool to make it a race truck. Pretty much I would have 2 race trucks if I make this a race truck, and then my single cab a race truck. I would have 2 race trucks and then my car over here. It helps whenever I can do stuff myself, so that's why I like to do stuff myself, obviously to save me some money and obviously to learn. So like I said, I'm still trying to tally up what it is. Should I make it a badass tow pick or a race truck? What I mean by a tow pick is putting in a supercharger, which would be an LSA supercharger, 4 L80 trans, to handle the torque, and then helper bags in the back just so I can, you know, pull a trailer. This truck would be used to pull my single cab or my car. So that's what I mean by a tow pick. I'm not trying to pull like nothing crazy heavy. It'll just be, you know, it could pull a trailer with my car in it or my truck. So that's what I mean by a tow pick. But like I said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for always watching the videos, obviously copying the merch. I'm trying to make more videos for y'all guys and trying to make them entertaining, trying to do different things. If you have ideas, guys, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see more of the car, the trucks, which truck. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next time. Peace.